Hello everyone, welcome back to Metis IAS, and today we are on the last leg of our series of Panchayati Raj, which was given in the today we are going to discuss few prelims questions and a essay paper that came in 2016, that is Cooperative Federalism. It's a myth or a reality. Actually, the question is not directly related to Panchayati Raj. However, since cooperative federalism, so Indian federal structure has over the period transformed or evolved from two-tier structure to three-tier structure. So there will be reference to Panchayati Raj, there will be definitely reference to the local bodies. So how we try to increase the decentralization process, because federalism is for decentralization. Earlier, we did that decentralization at union to state level, but we increased it further to one more level, that is the Panchayati Raj. So, this is democratic decentralization of federal structure. Here we are going to discuss that in this essay. Next important part is whether it is cooperative or not. So myth or a reality, whether in reality it is cooperative or not. So we'll be talking about ideally how it should be, and what do you mean by cooperative. You'll be talking about what it is, how ideally it should be, and what is the system. You can also talk about what internationally the system is. Okay, so we'll be talking about here that the federal structure of India is constitutionally recognized. It is very simple. You'll be telling all the features. What is idea of cooperative federalism, that the states and the entities should work in as partners rather than competitors. Okay, but you may also tell that in constitution there is slight tilt towards the centralizing tendencies. So what happens in cooperative federalism is you coordinate the states, unions, even the bottom up approach where the local self governments can also help in policy formulation. Right, so you'll be telling about those in reality, what happens, what are the mechanisms, like GST Council is there, NITI Aayog is there, because this part is not completely isolated or restricted to Panchayati Raj. However, Panchayati Raj can be truly mentioned here. It is not exactly on Panchayati Raj. Let me be clear. Your essay won't completely mention about Panchayati Raj. It will mention about almost all the political institutions, the other executive institutions which help in cooperative federalism, like GST Council, NITI Aayog, interstate councils. So I'll be mentioning, but yes, you can definitely touch the aspect of Panchayati Raj, that how you are going to democratically decentralize the system and bottom up approach that helps in designing the policy, implementing it, and even reviewing and monitoring it. Now, coming on to the prelims questions. So, the questions are very easy from this aspect. You can do if you open your mind and do not restrict yourself with the content. For example, the fundamental object of Panchayati Raj is to ensure what? Now, each word has to be taken care of. If I talk about Panchayati Raj, what it does? So, it does people, right? It holds people accountable. It helps in democratic decentralization. It everything it does. But what state was doing, what union was doing, it was doing political accountability. What union and state were doing, it was doing financial mobilization. And here they are asking fundamental object. So what exactly is the fundamental object? The fundamental object will not be which is solely to them. Means political accountability can be to the union and state, financial mobilization can be union and state, but fundamental is where peoples participate. So from representative democracy, you wanted to shift to participatory democracy, right? You wanted that. So people's participation is important, financial mobilization is important. So therefore the correct answer would be C option. Next, the minimum age prescribed for any person to be member of panchayat is 25 years. Is it? Is it so? every elector, for member of panchayat, you must be 21 years. We have seen in composition part, right? So 21 years. Regarding the disqualification, we have seen anyone less than 21 can be. But on Gram Sabha, it is everyone who is eligible to vote is member of Gram Sabha. So here for Gram Sabha, it is 18. For here, since they are asking for member of Panchayat, that is 21 years. Panchayat reconstituted after premature dissolution continues only for the remainder period. It is true. Yes, it is true. It continues only for remainder period. Right. Why? Because you want to synchronize all the elections there. So it is B option. Local self government can be best explained as an exercise in. So, is it local self government only for federalism? No. It is administrative delegation. We have done the in the second video about decentralization process, right? So you delegate the power, is it? No, it is not administrative delegation. It is completely decentralization, where you are giving them authority also, you are giving them powers also, and those are autonomous. Is it direct democracy? No, it is not completely direct democracy. Yes, Gram Sabha hold it, but not completely. So it is democratic decentralization. Next, again an easy question directly from the scheme, that is members of with reference to the funds under members of parliament local area development scheme, MP lad schemes. What is correct? So MP lad funds must be used to create durable asset. That's the main purpose of the scheme. That durable asset should be created, infrastructure should be created, whatsoever the requirements are. Since the financial issues are there at the local level, so these assets can be created, right? The finances can be generated from MP lad funds. A specified portion must be benefit SC and ST so that it does not go to one section, it goes to marginalized communities also. That is inclusive development. Next, MP led funds are sanctioned on yearly basis and unused funds cannot be carried forward to the next year. Is it true? No, it is not, because it is non-lapsable, means here it is saying that it gets lapsed because the fund, for example, the fund was there, the money was there here, and it was not used. So again at the end of year it will be taken out and again it will be kept. Means it is lapsable. Unused funds are again goes back to government fund. Is it so? No, they are non-lapsable, means they don't lapse at the end of year. And next, district authority must inspect at least 10% of all the work under implementation every year. Yes, this is to ensure accountability, whether the work has been done or not. Next, at last question, at a national level, ministry that is nodal agency to ensure implementation of scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dweller recognition of Forest Rights Act. So it is in short FRA Act ka implementation. Who does? So it is Ministry of Tribal Affairs, because FRA Act is specifically for tribals, for forest dwellers. So the implementation is also under Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So this is where we complete our Panchayati Raj chapter. If you have any doubt, you can surely put up in the comment section, or even you can contact the Metis IAS team also. We are always there to help you in your journey. Keep reading, keep studying, keep working hard. Thank you so much.